How to install Miui 13 Xiaomi EU ROM based on Android 12 by PocoOS on the Xiaomi Poco F1. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Miui 13 based on Android 12 by PocoOS, a port of Xiaomi EU on the Poco F1. Now, what are the prerequisites for this video? Well, you do need to have an unlocked bootloader and you need to have TWRP recovery installed. How do you unlock the bootloader? How do you install TWRP recovery? Videos for those can be found in the description of this video. Next thing you need to make sure is that your battery is charged at least 50 to 60%. Do not, and I repeat, do not do this process if your battery is at 20 or 30%. Also make sure you have a backup of all your pictures, videos, and anything important which you have on your device, because if your device is encrypted then you will have to perform a format data, and if your device is decrypted then you will have to flash disable force encryption. So here it is, we do have our beloved Poco F1, which right now is running the Pixel Experience ROM, but the steps will remain the same even if you are switching from a ROM which is based on MIUI. So first of all, go into settings and then you can go into your password and account, remove your Google account. Next up, go into security, remove your screen lock, fingerprint and face unlock. Now, if you are running a ROM which is based on MIUI, again, the steps will be the same. You will go into settings, password and security, remove your screen lock, fingerprint and face unlock. Once that is done, go back, go into Mi account and remove your Mi account. Once that is done, go back, go into accounts and sync and remove your Google account. Now, once you've removed all the accounts and security measures, make sure you reboot your device once. Now, why are we removing all the accounts and security measures? We are doing this because we are going from one ROM to another, and I don't want you to be locked out of your own device. Next thing we need to know is whether our device is encrypted or is it decrypted. So for MIUI, you will go into settings and then you will go into password and security. Herein you will go into privacy. Now, as you can see, this device over here is encrypted. So if your device is encrypted, then you will have to perform a format data. If your device is not encrypted, so let me go into settings, security, and if I go into advanced, this here is the Poco F1. You will notice that it says phone is not encrypted. This means my device is decrypted, which means if I do not want to perform a format data, I have to flash disable force encryption, which brings us to the question that what are the files which you need. Now, all the files which you need are linked in the description of the video. So for starters, you need the ROM itself. So this here is PocoOS, MIUI 13, Android 12 for the Poco F1. Do note this is not something which is provided officially by Xiaomi or Poco. This is a port. Then you also need disable force encryption if your device is decrypted. In my case, my device was decrypted, which means I do need disable force encryption. Next thing we need to do is we need to boot into our custom recovery. So first of all, go ahead and turn off your device, and once you've turned the device off, press and hold power and volume up till you see the recovery logo. So we see the Poco logo, power and volume up, press and hold, and bam, there it is. We now see the recovery logo. This here is TeamWin or TWRP recovery. Now, once we've booted into TWRP recovery, we will go into Wipe, Advanced Swipe, select Talvik, Cache, System, Vendor, and Data, and then swipe to wipe. Once that is done, we are going to tap on the Home button, go into Install. And the next thing you need to do is navigate to the folder where you have the files. If you download the files on your phone directly, they will be in the download folder. So first of all, we are going to select the ROM itself, and this here is your Poco OS, MIUI 13, Android 12. Select the file and then swipe to confirm flash. Now, once the file has flashed successfully, we got the message that script succeeded. Next up, tap on the home button. Now, if your device was encrypted. You will go into wipe, format data, type in yes, tap on the check mark on the bottom right. Do not format data will result in wiping out of all your pictures, videos, anything important which you have on your device. In my case, my device was not encrypted or decrypted, which means I can skip format data, but I do have to flash disable force encryption. So first of all, go into mount the window partition if it is not already mounted. Tap on the home button, go into install, select disable force encryption, and then swipe to confirm flash. Once that is done, tap on the home button, go into reboot and select system. And there it is. We do have the MIUI boot animation on our Poco F1, which means we are booting into MIUI 13, Android 12, PocoOS, Xiaomi EU ROM, and the first boot up is going to take some time, so you have to be patient. And there it is. Speech services by Google crash. Let us say cancel. This here is MIUI 13. Let me skip the initial setup real quick. And we are on the home screen. Let us go into settings, my device, bam, here it is, MIUI 13, Poco OS, and let us go into all specs, bam, here it is. Android version of course is 12, and there it is peeps. That is how you install MIUI 13 based on Android 12 by Poco OS on the Xiaomi Poco F1, and that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.